to do is...
I started the bakehouse as a result of having a breakdown actually. Baking was really therapeutic for me, made me feel better. It was good to connect with the dough, but also to provide finished product for somebody. Mental health is a big issue in today's society. About 1 in 4 of us have suffered from it at any one point. Anything that allows you to relax and to support your well-being is a really good thing.
There was a lot of isolation in my life. I have lost several members of my family, so I felt totally isolated. This has opened up a little bit of a social life for me, which I thoroughly enjoy. I come here, bake bread and talk with my colleagues.
As soon as you come in the bakehouse, you feel welcome and you feel like you can be yourself, especially if you've had some kind of mental health issue in the past. Be able to come in and work at your own pace is fantastic.
We started off just being gypsy bakers, baking around the community, borrowing oven space, using an old postie bike to deliver our bread. Crowdfunder has enabled us to fund the bakehouse we've got here with the oven and all the equipment that we have. On top of the £10,000 from the crowd, we got an extra £10,000 from the Santander Changemaker Fund, enabling us to have a bigger social impact.
We donated £100 and yes, it's definitely value for money. I think it's really important to have projects like this going so people can make connections with their neighbours and get out of the house and you get delicious quality bread.
It's amazing the journey we've had from being bakers all over the community to having our own space here. If you want to come down and check us out, then please do.